I'm organizing my dog clothes into 2 categories right now, and yeah, they're basically the basics, and the fun, well, let's call them the fun stuff. Okay. So here we are. So let's start from this dark bunch. They're actually t-shirts of different kinds. Tees. This black bodysuit that I just made, well, months ago. Tank top, bunch of black shirts again because I love black shirts. Okay. And what else? We have here next. Oh well, let's go with the shirts first. White top. I don't know where my white tee is. I've probably given it away. But I should have a white t-shirt too. But then again, that's all I have for now. That's all I have for white top, I guess. This hasn't. This goes well with anything. Pretty much classics or basics go well with anything. So these are my gray tops, tanks, t-shirts. I should add some more of this, right? Yeah. I'm missing a few things, but anyway. So here are some of the. And then I have the tank dresses, of course. Then white skirts, of course, very versatile, and in different sizes. Actually, these are my prototypes for different kinds of dolls, but I'm keeping them because I can't really give them away to my friends and cousins' daughters because most of the girls only have Barbie. They don't have Momokos, they don't have Blythe, they don't have Fashion Royalty, so only the Barbie sizes I have given away. And I have here black and white tops, printed tops, and gray vest, gray hoodie dress, black dresses here, sparkly one. Should make more of these, right? You guys like this? I've made this like 5 years ago for dolls. It's a Christmas diorama, I think. Yeah. And of course, denims. I had to organize these into tops, shorts. Well, I'm confusing myself. Jeans, of course. So many jeans. Because you can't live without jeans, right? And pants that I can't get enough of. These. And I know I hoard like crazy. Like I have 4 pairs of this. I think these are prototypes. I think, yes. So, and these are my recent Rhea, R-E-A pants, wide leg pants that are, these are actually prototypes too. And other black and white pants. Moving on, I have this old pair of leggings that I can't just give away because I want sometimes I want my dolls to just feel comfortable inside a house, their house, but I don't have a house diorama, sadly. I should make one soon too. And this beach pants that I haven't really made a lot of. This is a prototype too, but this is so fun to wear, to be honest. Just very seasonal, but I'm considering it a basic even if it's seasonal, because you can use it as pajama too, right? Over here, over here is my newly harvested bell pepper from my garden. Anyway, and my cup of tea, no, cup of coffee that I haven't really finished. So, and these. So, moving on to the topic, really. My gray, black and white, black and white shorts and skirts. This is very old. This fits Momoko, and sadly I don't have the fabric for this, but I love it so much. I just want to keep it. Of course, like I said, tan things. They're very. Although I'm a little I may consider this basic, because tans and khakis, because they seem to look basic, but they're a little harder to pair with colors compared to the blacks, whites, jeans, and grays. So, but I'm putting them in my basic because they're not as fun as these. So they're basics, basically. Okay, moving on. Where were we? The dresses. Of course, denim dresses. I think they're basics. They're classics. They don't age. They can be worn at any era. They don't lose trend. They don't. They're trendy. No, they're stylish. I'm not saying trendy. I don't like trendy. I don't like trends. I just love to wear stylishly, that is. Anyway, this. Look at this. I have two of them, right? That's how I love them. Really, this is a short version and this is the fashionability version. I just love this fabric so much. I have to keep two of them. And oh my god, I need to tell you something too. This is one of my very first hand sewn creations. I braided this and then attached it. No, it's not hand sewn, but it's machine sewn. Sorry, I can't fully remember. But this is hand sewn. This is for Momoko. The first few things that I made with my sewing machine. At that time, I was very, very novice with the sewing machine, so you could just see the quality. So bad. Anyway, moving on with the topic. Ooh, my 2012 very popular dress. I could just say, in any era, stripes will always be stylish, right? Look at that. Anyway, so moving on, I have here seasonal things like this pair of halter bikini. I call them basics because they're in black and white, and you pretty much can pair this pair of panties with like a yellow top easily, right? Or whichever fits your skin tone, right? If I was modeling an African American girl, I would wear this with an orange top, and I'm sure it will look awesome on her. Or like a teal top, right? Or maybe a teal triangle top on a Caucasian white girl, right? And oh my god, also this pair of panties. This pairs this actually. Black panties, just classic. And of course, polka dots. Although there's some pink, baby pink straps on it. I love it. I put it in my basic because I know it could be worn with well, something peachy, I guess. Not as, wait, maybe it's not so basic. Yeah, let's put it in the fun stuff. Okay. Sorry, I change my mind all the time that quick. Up next, my cream and white. Yeah. Not only do I consider whites as basics, I also consider creams as basics. So black and cream. And here, this is black and cream too. I love this shift dress so bad. So much. Love this print so much. Oh, a scarf. You'll need white scarf. And this dress, this was a Christmas dress sometime in 2016, I think. Oh, I miss this chevron craze I had. I had a like a stage, a phase in my life where everything's chevron. I love chevron. So yeah, that's all our basics. Oh, I probably, this is like two of my major categories, basics and fun, but I'm going to segregate these again into dresses, shorts, pants, tops, yeah, small things. So yeah, that's for the basics, guys.
So that is our closet revisit for today, guys, featuring our basics. One thing I realized in this activity is that I still have countless styling options even with this already edited bunch, that I don't really need to buy more. So what about you? What do you realize when you revisit your closet? Comment down below so we can save each other trips to the shop or to this convenient buy buttons on our phones, and be reminded that we have enough, right? So thanks so much for watching, and for our next one, we'll be revisiting the fun stuff bin that I showed you earlier, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. See you next time, darlings. Bye for now.